Ever wondered how makeup artists achieve that flawless, even-toned complexion, even when dealing with pesky redness? The secret isn't just piling on foundation, it's a clever trick from color theory, and today we're diving into the magic of green concealer. Now, you might be thinking, green on my face. It sounds a bit strange, but there's solid science behind it. Think back to the color wheel from art class. Red and green are opposites, which means they cancel each other out. When you apply a thin layer of green concealer over a red area, it neutralizes the color, creating a blank canvas for your foundation. This is a game changer for anyone dealing with rosacea, acne blemishes, broken capillaries around the nose, or even just a temporary sunburn. Let's break down how to use it correctly, because application is everything. First, start with a clean, moisturized, and primed face. This creates a smooth surface for the products to adhere to. The key with green concealer is less is more. You're not trying to cover the blemish completely with green. You're just trying to knock back the redness. Take a tiny amount of a creamy green color corrector on the back of your hand. Using a small, precise brush or even your clean ring finger, gently tapped on, rub the product onto the red areas. Focus only on the redness itself, not the surrounding skin. Blend the edges very lightly so there are no harsh green lines. You want a sheer, translucent veil of green that just slightly mutes the red tones underneath. It should look more grayish or ashy, not bright green. If you've applied too much, you can gently blot some away with a sponge. The next step is crucial for making it all look seamless. After you've neutralized the redness, it's time for your regular concealer or foundation. The trick here is to use a stippling or patting motion. Take your foundation on a damp beauty sponge or a dense brush and gently press it over the corrected areas. Do not swipe or drag the product. Swiping will just move the green concealer underneath and undo all your hard work. By patting, you're layering the foundation on top, effectively locking in the color correction and creating a unified skin tone. There are different types of green correctors to choose from. You'll find them in liquid, cream, and stick formulas. For larger areas of redness, like on the cheeks due to rosacea, a liquid or thin cream corrector mixed with your primer can work beautifully to create a subtle all-over wash of color. For individual pimples or small spots, a stick or a thicker cream concealer in a pot offers more targeted, opaque coverage. The shade of green also matters. A pale minty green is great for fair to light skin tones with mild redness. A slightly deeper, more olive-toned green works better for medium to tan skin tones, as it won't look ashy. Let's see it in action. Here's a red blemish. I'll take the tiniest dot of green corrector and gently tap it right on top, feathering out the edges. See how the intense red is now a dull, much less noticeable color. Now, I'll take my skin-toned concealer and press it over the top with my finger. And just like that, the redness has completely vanished, and the area blends perfectly with the rest of my skin. It looks like my skin, but better. This technique isn't just for heavy, full glam makeup. It's incredibly useful for everyday, natural looks too. By neutralizing redness first, you end up using far less foundation and concealer overall. This prevents that heavy, cakey look and lets your natural skin texture shine through. Your makeup will look more professional, last longer, and most importantly, you'll feel more confident. So, the next time you're struggling to cover up that stubborn redness, remember the color wheel. A little bit of green might just be the secret weapon your makeup bag has been missing. It's a simple, effective technique that transforms your makeup application from just covering up to truly correcting. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself.